In 1908, the French inventor Soldering proposed using a piston engine to compress air that would be mixed with fuel and burn to produce pulses of hot gases that would be expelled through a nozzle to generate propelling force. At the heart of the Motorjet is an ordinary piston engine, but instead of driving a propeller, it drives a compressor. The compressed air is channeled into the combustion chamber where fuel is injected and ignited. The high temperatures generated by the combustion causes the gas in the chamber to expand and escape at high velocity from the exhaust, creating a thermoreactive force that produces useful thrust. Without further ado, let's move into making this engine. The only difference between my design and a Motorjet is the fact that a Motorjet uses a piston engine to run its compressor, while I'm using a brushless DC motor to run the compressor. Since our major one is driving the compressor in thousands of RPM before then upgrading to a more sophisticated design. And a big shout out to FNRC, our soldering iron sponsor. This is basically the FNRC DWS 200 soldering iron station, which I got from them to make a review. I was really amazed by the FNRC DWS 200 due to the fact that it was able to rise to a max temperature of 450 degrees Celsius in no time, which ultimately means you won't have any problem soldering. With no doubt, the FNRC DWS 200 is a really nice soldering station, so if you'd love to get one for yourself, you can check out the link in the description below for the purchase. And thanks to FNRC for being our soldering iron sponsor. Alright, we're almost done with this engine, so we'll just literally test it out and see if it's actually working before we move on. That was excellent. I wasn't really expecting this engine to run so nicely, but then it did. So now let's drop in the wheels and give this engine a test to see if it does produce thrust. Alright, basically we're done assembling an engine. We're ready outside to give it a test. Once I was done running the test outside, I was so amazed by how much thrust this tiny engine could generate, but then I was more curious to know how durable this engine is. For the durability test, I switched to a bigger gas can to run the engine for a really long time, and here was the result. Given the fact that this engine was able to withstand such high temperature for a long time and still produce thrust is really satisfying and amazing. That's pretty much everything for today. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.